Hello and welcome to a little video showing you how to set up your RaceFlight flight controller with RaceFlight 1 using the new RaceFlight configurator. I will start with flashing the newest firmware to the flight controller, then setting up the transmitter, and finally calibrating the motors, and I will actually show you uncut how I get in the air after that. So let's start with connecting the flight controller via USB, then go to update firmware. I will load the firmware locally. I downloaded 0.188 and it will reboot the flight controller and will start flashing ASAP. So this might take a few minutes, but as promised I won't do any cuts in this video since I want to show off how it's all pretty self-explanatory, and I hope it does, and to show how flawlessly it works. I already bound the TX to the RX. I'm using Spectrum, as you can see, and I'm using a Graphire for a LiPo. So we're nearly done. Just a few more seconds. Come on, faster, faster. Okay, great. Successfully fully flashed. Okay, we'll reboot the board and let's start with one. Set up the flight controller. So it wants me to place your quad flat. That's the case, as you can see. So I hit next, then I put it nose down, this, and hit next, and it says successful. So I hit done, then I go to detect receiver and click next. So it's good to have some distance between the transmitter and the receiver for this to work. Some receivers are overpowered by the TX being really close. In this case it's working since I pointed the antenna away. So the next step is to set up the radio. So what I'm gonna be doing is I will move all sticks and then, as mentioned there, put throttle at idle and click OK. Then it says push throttle stick to the top, so I will do that. Yaw to the right, pitch stick to the top, and roll to the right. Then please set your arming switch to disarm and then hit next, so it's already at disarm position. So I will just hit next, and then it says please put it in arm mode and then go next. So that's done. So let's check it out. You can see here that's my arm switch and that's arm position and it's actually arming. So after checking that, it's time for calibrating the motors. So I'm wearing safety glasses, that's why I removed the props despite not having removed the props. And I have disconnected the battery, it's still here, so I hit this. So then it says I should connect the LiPo. And that's what I'm actually going to do now. And now I'm waiting for exactly this, so it's in calibration mode. And I'm waiting for it to confirm calibration. And now I can remove the battery. Hit done. And that's it. So let's unplug, get everything out of the way. And let me show you, after I put the battery in here, that it's actually all you have to do to get airborne. Ta-da! So, thanks for watching. I hope this helps and see you in the next video.